Here out in Kansas, you have this crop cycle, and the same things happen year after year. And if you pay attention, or if you talk to the farmers, you'll see that there is continuous improvement going on. How do they get better yields? How do they not waste as much? And then you can connect that for, a rural employee group that, they see that going on all the time, and it's very soothing for them. On the other hand, what they don't necessarily see is the work that goes into the fact that most fields, are now planted and harvested with GPS. The person driving the piece of equipment over time is you're probably not even going to have people driving. So for me, Manufacturing 4.0 is a blank slate, which is why I like it. It's the opportunity to connect many systems and devices in manufacturing. The first thing is to have the mindset to just investigate and be curious and find ways that will help your business. You don't have to follow a designated roadmap. I'm one of those geeks that my personal Facebook, I follow a lot of 4.0 groups and industry, same thing with LinkedIn, and I read a lot. From a business perspective, if you're going to remain competitive, then you've got to stay ahead of the competition. That's not just in your product development, but it's also in your ability to be nimble and agile as a workforce. As long as our employees were willing to learn about technology, we promise to upskill them. It's really exciting to see how interested the employees are about making their jobs easier and how much they want to contribute to, okay, well, I'm going to have free time, so am I going to handle 3 lines now? Am I going to be involved in some WCM activities like clean, inspect, and lube? It's very energizing. Our employees shouldn't be afraid of automation and 4.0. They should be excited by it. I've never picked a job based on the title or the salary or whether it was the next step up. I look at jobs and I want to be able to make a difference, meaning create results that are sustainable and are going to outlive me whenever I move on. And I want to be able to learn new things.